This video describes how to clean the LigaStar titanium clip. After using it, remove and discard the titanium disposable cartridge in accordance with the medical waste regulations. The LigaStar titanium clip, which requires cleaning, removes the safety ring before separating the handle and shaft. After removing the safety ring, slightly pull the housing on the handle to separate the shaft and handle. Before sterilizing the handle, remove the remaining CO2 gas using the degaz pin. It may spend about 50 seconds depending on the remaining amount of CO2 gas. If there is no more gas removal sound, remove the gas degaz pin and open the gas cover on the handle to remove the gas cylinder. The reusable titanium shaft is cleaned by putting on the end of the shaft, separating it into 3 parts: out shaft, inner tube and push rod. The recommended cleaning method for the handle and shaft are to remove residue using a soft brush, soak in a medical cleaning agent for 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse in running water 4 to 3 minutes, and dry at a temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. Sterilization uses autoclave to sterilize steam. Thank you.